Apostol Tananay, Muhammad Khalid Quibranza de Maporo, Governor ng lalawigan ng Lanao del Norte, the land of beauty and bounty. Over the last week, we've been having marathon budget briefings and budget hearings dito sa Kapitolyo in preparation for our 2026 budget. Hopefully, by passing the 2026 budget, we can continue yung mga priority projects at saka programs ng ating mahal ng dating governor, Governor Anguing Quibranza de Maporo. Among these projects is the new Balui Provincial Hospital. The second big ticket project that we're trying our best to complete next year is the new Kulambugan Provincial Hospital, which is moving down to the highway, so it's more accessible. The next big ticket project that we'll be working on is to build a new warehouse to the specifications of NFA in the provincial government's grain processing center sa Kapatagan. By doing this, we can fully maximize yung PhilMec rice mill na ginawa ni Governor Anguing Quibranza de Maporo. As of now, the utilization rate is very low. Umaandar lang siya maybe once or twice a week dahil masyadong malaki yung capacity. Pero if we build this NFA size warehouse sa loob ng compound ng PGPC, we will be able to store enough palay so that we can mill continuously. So makatulong ito sa mga farmers ng Kapatagan Valley at makatulong rin ito in allowing us to provide the general public atong mga constituents affordable rice galing sa lalawigan ng Lanao del Norte. This is among the many projects that we'll be working on. But one of them that will also be spearheading is the Tourism Development Program ng lalawigan ng Lanao del Norte. Under the administration of Gov. Anguing, she has been able to procure the services of world-renowned urban planning architect Jun Palafox. And with the procurement of his services, we will be able to craft province-wide master plan for tourism development sa lalawigan ng Lanao del Norte. So all of this will come to fruition soon as possible, and I'm sure that we will succeed in developing the priority programs, project, and agenda ng lalawigan ng Lanao del Norte. Within 2 weeks, nakahanda na kami. We will be able to present to the Sangguniang Palalawigan the 2026 budget and the first budget of my administration.